In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a logo to a Google Docs header. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your logo at the top of your document so it appears consistently on every page, giving your document a more professional and branded look. First, make sure you already have your logo file ready on your computer or in your Google Drive. Common image formats like PNG and JPEG work best. If you can, use a version of your logo with a transparent background so it blends nicely with the white page. Go ahead and open the Google Docs document where you want to add the logo. Once your document is open, we'll start by opening the header area. Move your mouse to the very top of the page and double-click in the blank space above the first line of text. You should see a thin boundary line appear and the word header or some header options along the top. That's how you know you're working inside the header section. Alternatively, you can go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen, hover over headers and footers, and then choose header. Either method gets you to the same place. With the header open and active, place your cursor where you want the logo to appear. Most people put it on the left side, but you can also center it or move it to the right, depending on your style or branding guidelines. Once your cursor is in position, look to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Image. You'll see several options for where to get your image from. If your logo is saved on your computer, choose the option to upload from your device. A file picker window will open so you can browse to the folder where your logo is stored. Click on the logo file and then select Open. Google Docs will upload the image and place it directly into your header where your cursor was positioned. If your logo is already stored in Google Drive or Google Photos, you can choose those options instead. After selecting Drive or Photos, find your logo in the list or by searching, click it once to select it and then click Insert. Again, the logo will appear in the header at the cursor location. Once your logo is in the header, it may be too large or too small. To adjust the size, click on the image once so you see the blue squares or handles around the edges. Move your mouse to one of the corner handles, click and drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. Using the corner handles is important because it keeps the logo's proportions correct so it doesn't look stretched or squashed. You can also reposition the logo by clicking and dragging the image left or right within the header until it sits exactly where you want it. If you need more precise control, click the image, then use the toolbar image options such as alignment or text wrapping to fine-tune its placement. When you're happy with the size and position, simply click anywhere in the main body of the document below the header area. The header will collapse and you'll see your logo sitting neatly at the top of the page. Scroll through your document and you'll notice the logo now appears in the header on each page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a logo to your Google Docs header and given your document a clean, professional finish.